Hi, this is Rajesh. Today we are going to do quadratic equations, exercise 5.3, question number 10. That is, an express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. See, in this problem, they ask us find the average speed of the two trains. Why they ask us average speed of the two trains here? Because the distance between Mysore to Bangalore is 132 kilometers, and whenever they are going to Mysore to Bangalore, they won't maintain constant speed. Sometimes they may go fast and sometimes they may go slow. So that only here they ask us find the average speed of the two trains. But the conditions in this problem are the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than the average speed of the passenger train, and also time taken by the express train is 1 hour less than the passenger train. So if you know average speed of the passenger train, if you add plus 11 to the average speed of the passenger train, and then we will get average speed of the express train. So that only here I am going to consider let x kilometer per hour be the average speed of passenger train and then average speed of express train is equal to x plus 11 kilometer per hour according to the problem. How could I write this one? According to the problem. And also the distance between Mysore to Bangalore is 132 kilometers. So here distance between Mysore and Bangalore is equal to 132 kilometers. So here first we need to find time taken by the passenger train when it goes x kilometer per hour of the speed with a distance 132 kilometers. Next we need to find time taken by the passenger train. So here time taken by passenger train, take this one as t1. We all know that time is equal to distance by speed. So here distance is 132, speed is x. Next, like that only, time taken by express train, take this one as t2 is equal to 132 by x plus 11. In the problem, they gave one condition, that is, an express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore. So that only in this problem we can write T2 is equal to T1 minus 1 according to the problem. So T2 is nothing but time taken by express train, T1 is nothing but time taken by the passenger train. In the problem they mentioned express train takes 1 hour less than time taken by the passenger train. So that only here we will get T2 is equal to T1 minus 1. Now we will need to write what is T2 and what is T1. T2 is nothing but 132 by x plus 11. T1 is nothing but 132 by x minus 1. So here interchange the terms. So we will get 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 is equal to 1. From these two things, take 132 is common. When you take 132 is common, we will get here 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 11 is equal to 1. So take LCM for these two things, that is x into x plus 1. After that 1 by x into x plus 11, x gets cancelled. So we will get here x plus 11 minus 1 by x plus 11 into x plus 11. So here we will get x is equal to 1. You may have the doubt, how could I write these things? 1 by x into x plus 11. So x gets cancelled. X plus 11 we need to write. Next, what is the symbol here? Minus. Next, 1 by x plus 11 into LCM, that is x into x plus 11. So x plus 11 gets cancelled. We got here x. So like that I got these things. Now this can be written as 132 into plus x minus x gets cancelled. 11 by x into x plus 11 is equal to 1. So here 132 into 11 is equal to 1 into x plus 1. We can write as x into x plus 11. See here, 1 into x plus 11, we will get x plus 11 only. Now this can be written as x into x square plus 11x is equal to 132 into 11 multiply with 11. So you will get 132 2541. When we multiply 132 with 11, we will get 1452. So x square plus 11x is equal to 1452. Get before is equal to. Now we will get x square plus 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we need to find roots of a quadratic equation by using factorization method or else by using formula method. Whenever we are unable to find roots of a quadratic equation by using factorization method, at that time we can go for formula method. So by using factorization method, we are going to find roots of a quadratic equation. Take first term and last term. So here x square into minus 1452 we will get. So here minus 1452 x square. If you multiply two terms, product should be equal to minus 1452 x square, and when you add two terms, sum should be equal to plus 11x. So that only here, first find prime factors of 1452. Now here 2 sevens, 2 twos, 2 6. Next 2 table, 2 threes, 2 6. Next 2 threes. After that, next take 3 table, no problem at all. 3 ones, 3 twos, 3 ones. Next take 11 table. So here 11 threes 33, 2 twos are 4, 4 11s 44. So 44 into 33 we will get 1452. But we need to get plus 11x. So that only here I am going to write this one as plus 44x minus 33x. Plus into minus minus. 44 into 33, 1452, x into x square. When we add these two things also, we will get here plus 11x only. Now this can be written as x square plus 44x minus 33x is equal to 0. Plus 1452 is equal to 0. From these two things, if I take x is common, x into x plus 44. From these two things, if I take minus 33 is common, yes, symbol is minus. If I take minus 33 is common, here I will get x plus 44 is equal to 0. Whatever expression we got here, we will get same expression here also. From these two things, what is common? X plus 44 is common. If I take x plus 44 is common, here I will get x plus 44 into x minus 33 is equal to 0. Now x plus 44 is equal to 0 or x minus 33 is equal to 0. So here x is equal to minus 44 or x is equal to 33. See, in this problem, we got two values, x is equal to minus 44 and x is equal to 33. So, speed is always a positive number only. So, we should not consider this thing. We have to consider x is equal to 33 only. So, x is nothing but what? Average speed of the passenger train. So, that one in the problem, we can write from this average speed of the passenger train x kilometer per hour can be written as x kilometer per hour is equal to 33 kilometer per hour. Next, average speed of the express train is x plus 11 kilometer per hour. So here x plus 11 kilometer per hour will be 33 plus 11. So here we will get 44 kilometer per hour. Therefore, average speeds of a passenger train and express train are 33 kilometers per hour and 44 kilometer per hour. Okay, see once.